This SOP is about creating a FBM listing on an FBA product, so a fulfilled by merchant variation on an existing fulfilled by Amazon variation. This might be necessary in just temporarily in cases like where we're shortly out of stock, or where Amazon actually blocks our listing and it will take us a couple of hours or days in order to get the listings back up, like in this case. We're going to use the black neck pouch in this case that has been blocked by Amazon. And in order to not lose sales on this variation, we're going to add on an FBM listing onto that product. So we search for the variation, then we click on the right here, and we choose add another condition. Amazon will pull up this page here. We have to add the standard price. In this case, I think the neck pouch standard price is $29.95. We can check it here anyway. Yes, $29.95. SKU we'll leave in blank. Quantity, we add a specific quantity. It doesn't really matter. Let's just add 50 for now. Condition is new. And here under shipping template, it's important that we use migrated template for FBM listings. So once we have these parameters set, we click Save and Finish and wait for the confirmation page to come up. And then we have to wait for about 5 minutes until the listing actually shows in our Seller Center. Okay, we waited for a couple of minutes and we will see now this same ASIN of the black neck pouch shows with a different SKU right here. So this is our fulfilled by merchant listing. Once we have it here, we click Edit again. Go here to the Offer tab, and we include the sales price, which on the neck pouch is currently $17.95. And we set a sales start and end date, so this sales price actually kicks in. This is just that we keep selling at $17.95 and not at $29.95. We scroll down, the rest we just leave it as it is, and we click Save and Finish again. So the last step is actually to go into FBA Amplifier or Amazon Amplifier in order to set up the automated fulfillment for this product, at least for Venture Forth, which is the account that we have in here. In case it will be any of our other brands, you would have to manually fulfill all those FBM orders. So basically in here, what you do, you go here to FBM list, then you say create a new combo. You copy the ASIN of the FBM listing from here, from Amazon Seller Central. You put it as FBM product, search for it. Select the product here, check that the product image is the correct one, and you put in the ASIN for the FBA product you want to fulfill this order with, which in this case is the same ASIN. So here it comes up. Production time, we put in 4 days. Then you click on the blue eye here. You look at the image again. The product is correct one. Quantity, indicate how many, like for every order, how many units you want to send. So per unit that is purchased as FBM, you will send 1 unit of the FBA product. Once this is set up, you click on the thumbs up here to save this. Save changes. Okay, so this means now that every time a person actually orders one of those black neck pouches as an FBM listing, this software will automatically go in and actually fulfill the order with an FBA product, and we don't have to worry about it personally. So that's it. Now we just have to monitor. Once our FBA listing comes back online, then we just turn the whole thing off again and delete the FBM product on the listing.